Money mudslide.
What was that?
A pretzel. This is the intro to our project.
Yeah.
No. You just spit a pretzel on my hand. Money mudslide.
My mudslides.
Money mudslide.
My mudslides.
We'll be talking about money mudslides. Yeah.
A mudslide. A mass of mud or other earthly material that is falling or has fallen down a hillside or slope.
So this is what our project is going to be on for science? Mudslides?
Yes.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, I am.
Are you sure?
I am highly.
Hey, Wesley.
What's up?
Do you know how mudslides occur?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Mudslides develop when water rapidly accumulates in the ground and results in a surge of water-saturated rock, earth, and debris. You got all that? Do you need me to read it again?
No, I'm good. Okay. Mudslides. They occur because of earthquakes, other natural disasters, and mostly gravity.
Wow.
Places that have just suffered a fire are more likely to have a mudslide because when trees burn up, the roots eventually die, which then if it rains, it'll lubricate the roots, the dirt, and the rocks that are inside, and then eventually the force of gravity will be too great and it'll take everything downhill with it.
Good job. Okay. So, I have to define constructive and destructive processes of this mudslide. The only thing it creates is mud. Obviously, it's a mudslide, but that's the only thing it does create. It's mostly destructive. I mean, it destructs buildings and a lot of land. A lot of land. It's a lot of land. And people die from it, so. The process that creates the landform or feature is when there's a slope and there's a tree that gets burned, the roots die, and when it rains hard, the roots can't really protect that land area, so all the rain gets soaked into all the dirt, and it eventually creates mud, and the gravity takes place, and it whooshes down. Now, my evidence for this is rain comes down, and it turns all the dirt and rocks into mud.
And don't forget gravity exists.
Yeah, gravity. Don't forget about that. Newton.
Early in the morning of August 14, 2017, after 3 days of torrential rainfall, devastating floods and mudslides occurred in and around Syria, Lebanon's capital city, Freetown. And then here's some images of it.
Yeah. Oh, those are bad.
Those are really bad.
Those are real bad.
Okay.
Oh, wow, look at that. It's real bad. Oh, wow. Oh, would you look at that? That's real bad. Oh, that's destructive. Oh, alright. You can see it there. Alright. So, we have defined erosion, and erosion, the process of eroding or being eroded by wind, water, or other natural agents. If you didn't know. Pretty sure you all know. Now, another one that's not as well known is deposition. Deposition, the action of depositing someone, especially a monarch. Okay, but don't know what that's about. Now we're going to use erosion. Now erosion in our process of mudslides. The mudslide, when it gets eroded by all the rain that comes to it, because it erodes it, all the dirt and rock, and like swishes it around, makes it a nice concoction. Nice mudslide cocktail. So that's basically what the erosion does. So, bye. See you later.
Okay, the agents that are there to make our mudslide is rain, fire, and gravity. Rain makes the mud, and the gravity pulls it, but the fire burns the trees, so it kills the roots, so it makes it so the tree can go with the mud down the slope, so that mudslides can form.
Wow. Yeah. Hey there, kiddies. Are you ready to go on an adventure? Teach you about mudslides?
Yeah.
Okay, follow me. Come here. Now stay right there. Now, you know how mudslides are formed, right? Trees are burned, so the roots die. Then heavy rain comes and turns all the soil and rocks into mud. Then gravity takes its form and it slides them all down the hill. Now, we're gonna play a little game. All right? We have 3 options. Okay? We have to find out what the mudslide is. Is it A, mudslide? Is it B, mudslide? Or is it C, mudslide? All right, what's the answer? Did I hear you say C? You're correct. Now, you see, about that, we're gonna make you kiddies learn something today. So we told you how it's formed. We showed you the picture of the mudslides. Now let's get really serious. Got this, kitty?
Yes.
Now, y'all know what a mudslide is. I already told you what a mudslide is. You better learn. You learning? Yeah.
Muddy mudslide.
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 Yeah.
Yeah.
What about muddy mudslides?
They're very muddy.
What about them?
And they're slides.
Yeah. Muddy mudslide.
Muddy mudslide.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh boy, I really like mudslides. I want a mudslide for Christmas. Oh, what's that?
Mudslide.
Okay.